I know they are, Mom. Well, it's Christmas Eve, and we have Ms. Blue here today. Ms. Blue, Merry Christmas to you. Thank you so much for letting me video your issue and your discussion and your office visit today. You're okay if we video for our friends on YouTube? Okay.
Yes.
You're awesome. Well, thank you. You have kind of a red leg and a red foot, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'm going to get down here with you. Oh, my goodness, the knees. I want to get a close-up. Now, here is the left anterior leg, and you can see you had something happen over there. Looks like an old scar, right?
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I don't even know.
Don't even know. And then we're swollen and we're red. Now tell me again how this all started.
Well, the hose probably just touched my leg, and then right away it gets red.
So it's a garden hose?
Mm-hmm.
And how many days ago did that happen?
Oh, that was about a month ago.
About a month ago. And the redness just worsened though, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And you kind of woke up with it this morning,
Yeah.
and then it was a lot redder and, and swollen
and
right there, right? And it hurts, okay. And no shortness of breath or fevers?
No.
And let's see what else I wanted to ask you. Let me push back here. Does it hurt on the back of the leg at all? Okay, good. And have you taken any anti-inflammatories or anything over the counter to help?
No, not over the counter, but I don't know what this is. This is supposed to be a muscle relaxer.
And it's not going to help with this.
It doesn't help me at all.
It does not going to help with this. Because what you have is a good old-fashioned case of thrombophlebitis. Have you ever heard of that before?
Yeah, I think my father had it.
Your father had it? Okay. Would you mind sharing your age?
89.
You're 89 years young. Okay, well, wonderful. Well, here it is Christmas Eve, and I'm trying to help you decide what's the best thing to do for this. And what we're going to do is we're going to put you on some medicine to take away the discomfort, and we're going to put you on some medicine to get the swelling and inflammation down, okay? Now, I'm also going to have you come back the day after Christmas, which is in 2 days, and we're going to recheck this and make sure it's doing a lot better.
Okay.
Now, if it's not doing a lot better, we're going to order an ultrasound on it then. Now, I'm not going to order an ultrasound on it today because you don't have what we call a Homan sign. You don't have any tenderness at the posterior aspect of the leg. And I'm not worried that you have a blood clot that could be serious and break loose and go to the rest of your body, right? You know what I'm talking about? Okay. So you don't have one of those, but you do have a painful condition here that we can help you with, so we're going to do that. But I want to check and make sure things are doing better on, let's see, Wednesday.
Okay.
Can you come back for me on Wednesday and let me recheck?
Okay.
All right, and if everything's going fine, we'll just continue doing what we're doing. If not, then we'll do some imaging then. Does that sound fair?
Yeah.
Now, if at any point this is getting a lot worse instead of better, don't wait till Wednesday. You just go on to the emergency room and they'll do an ultrasound or a CAT scan or whatever they need to do then.
Okay.
But I don't think that's going to happen. I think you're going to do just fine with the medicines I'm going to give you.
Good.
All right, well, you have a wonderful Merry Christmas, and I'll see you back the day after Christmas. And thank you so much for letting us record your visit.
Thank you.
You're awesome. Thank you.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it can actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.